I'd like to welcome you to this video. In this video, I want to show you how you can access free data that you can use to run whatsoever kind of analysis that you would like to run. So head over to Google and type Kaggle. So after typing Kaggle, you will hit on this first link that comes up. Then you see I've already created my profile of Kaggle. If you have not, it would prompt you to sign up. So let me just sign out. Now to show you register or sign in. In my own case, because I'm already a member of the platform, I only need to sign in. Signing into any space these days is quite very easy. Just sign in with your email, that's your Gmail. So, like I said, if it is, see now, I click on sign in and it has brought me right over here. So, for you now to get datasets, you just click on dataset on this left hand side of the screen and then come over here and either type the topic that is of interest to you, or you simply scroll down all these various types of dataset that we have, and then you can open any of them. I am interested in this one, so if I click on it, it will show you this. We have already opened it. Then when it opens to this place, the beautiful thing about Kaggle is that it will even explain to you the metadata. It will give you information into the metadata, what applicant ID means, what annual income means, applicant age, what it means, work experience, what it means, and so on and so forth. So to download the data, you just come over to download over here and click on it and wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, it has almost completely downloaded. Then now just wait for it to completely get into your system. So now you now click on open file, right? Then your WinRAR come up in this format, and this is the data that I'm interested in. See, applicant details. So what do? Save it in the location in your computer where you want to access it from. So we now come over to extract to. Coming to extract to, I want to keep it in a folder called live streams. If you have been following my videos, you will recognize the fact that I've been operating out of a folder called live streams. So, and that is in my documents. So I'll scroll over up till the time I get to live streams. Live streams, click on it and I highlight it that way and click OK. Which does. Now that data has been extracted and stored in the memory location called live streams. When I go over here, you can see applicant details. So this is how you download data from Kaggle to your computer, and Kaggle provides you a very beautiful means of accessing data cheaply. Now I want to bring that data over here into R, so I'll open a new R script so that we can visually inspect the data just before we go on with the analysis. So I will set working directory. To do that, I say set wd, and that's a function. So set wd insert open and close inverted commas. Come over to this file, right click on it, and go to properties. Wait for a few seconds, and then you can see the address of this folder. So you just highlight that and copy, say okay and do it. Then go over to R and paste that in the space that we created. Note that they call them slashes or slash. These ones are pointing backwards. We use the forward slashes in R. So when I run this code, the working directory has been set. That's the reason why you didn't see any complaint red. So to import the data now into R. Alright, so to import the data now into R, I will now say import the data into R. To do that, you simply say I call it loan data. Assign vector and say read.csv, right? Open and close bracket commas. Go back to the file location, get the actual name of the file. So this one, in order not to miss it, we're going to use applicant. Do as if you want to rename it, simply copy that. Okay, go back to R, paste it inside that empty space, but you have to add the extension, file extension, which is CSV, because this data is a CSV file. Let's see, it shows Microsoft Excel, comma separated values file, so that's a CSV file. When this is done, I can now hit on run, and the data gets to be imported into R. If you want to view it, view the data in R Studio. Okay, then we use the view function. Open brackets, you type loan data. So when you hit this now, our data has opened up right before us. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for being part of this video. If you like what you saw, please do not hesitate to hit the like button, and I'll be making a video how this data was cleansed and other analysis that will be done. Okay, thank you very much. Leave me a comment in the comment section, and I will see you in the very next one. Thank you. God bless you.